Hello and welcome. Are you struggling with the DevToolsActivePort file doesn't exist error in Selenium? It's a common and frustrating problem that stops your automation scripts right in their tracks. This error basically means that Selenium tried to connect to a Chrome browser, but the browser crashed or failed to start properly. So, Selenium couldn't find the active communication port it needed. In this tutorial, we will break down why this happens and walk through the most effective solutions to fix it for good. The most common cause of this error is a version mismatch between your Chrome browser and the ChromeDriver. Selenium uses ChromeDriver to control the Chrome browser, and they must be compatible. First, check your Chrome browser version. Go to the three dots in the top right, then Help, and About Google Chrome. Note down the version number. Now, you need a matching ChromeDriver. The best and most modern way to handle this is to let a tool do it for you. For Python, you can use the WebDriver Manager library. Simply install it using pip and it will automatically download and manage the correct driver version every time you run your script. This single step solves the problem for most people. If updating the driver doesn't work, the next step is to adjust your ChromeOptions. These are special settings you pass to the browser when you launch it. This is especially critical if you are running your script on a Linux server, in a Docker container, or in headless mode. There are three key options you should always consider adding. First is no-sandbox. This flag disables a security feature and is often required when running as a root user, which is common in Docker environments. Second, add disable-dev-shm-usage. This is another lifesaver for Docker or systems with limited memory. It tells Chrome not to use the small shared memory directory, which can easily fill up and cause crashes. Instead, it uses a larger temporary directory. Third, consider adding headless if you don't need a visible browser window, and disable GPU as a GPU is often unavailable in server environments. A third potential issue is your environment's permissions and resources. If you are running on a Linux system as the root user, the no-sandbox option is non-negotiable. Also, make sure your machine has enough RAM. Chrome is memory intensive, and if your system is low on resources, the browser will fail to launch, leading to the DevTools error. Finally, ensure your core libraries are up to date by running pip install upgrade Selenium and pip install upgrade WebDriver Manager or the equivalent for your programming language. To summarize, first, use a WebDriver Manager to eliminate version conflicts. Second, always add robust Chrome options like no-sandbox and disable-dev-shm-usage. Third, check your environment's resources and permissions. Following these steps will provide a stable and reliable setup for your Selenium automation. Thank you so much for watching. If this guide helped you solve your error, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials. If you still have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy automating!